Do you know how to view the deleted messages on the Messenger? Here is the few easy steps. First, download the Noti Save application at Google Play Store, Apple Store, or on Huawei Gallery app. Open the Noti Save to start the setup. Just click Next. A pop-up show up, just click Allow. Click Next. To allow the notification access for the app, switch it on. And click the back button and click Allow. Click Next. Now switch on all applications, except the Messenger. And click Back. Now scroll down and click the battery saver. And set the no restriction. Click Back. Set the application to auto start, switch the Noti Save on. And then click Back. Just click Next. Then click Next again. And click Next again. And you're done on the setup. Now let's try if it is working. This is highly recommended application to use if you want to catch the person if he is cheating with you. As you can see on the example, he deleted his messages, and the user deleted the entire conversation. Now to view the deleted messages, open the Noti Save application. While the entire conversation is already saved on the application. Now you have the power to catch the cheater. Learn more about mobile. Please subscribe for more tutorial here at MrMobile.